We're at the Hampton Inn and Suites, Minneapolis University area, I think it is. And this is a room tour. We're at the very last room at the end of the hall by the windows. The kids thought that tower looked like the Eiffel Tower. And then there's that, which nobody has ever been able to tell me what that is. That tower, does anybody know? I don't know. We're pretty close to the river here, to the Mississippi River in Minneapolis. We are in room 429, and our picture is candied apples. Okay, first thing I noticed is we have the famous weird door on a rail again. So we've got the weird door that prevents you from having the closet and the bathroom shut at the same time. But hey, it's got that awesome big mirror on it. This looks almost exactly like the one that Ben and I stayed at Milwaukee West 2 weekends. Last weekend? Whenever that was. It's all a blur. Okay. Hampton Inn, curved shower rod, some nice hooks, tub shower combo. Kind of a depressing painting. I don't know what that is. Different fold in the towels at this one. Got these little, I didn't point this out last time, but there's these little pull-out drawers. And there's the hair dryer. I don't think this one has anything. Lots of nice counter space at the sink. And a little shelf up above and a lighted mirror, which is very nice. And we have another, we're on a corner. And we have another big window here looking at that Eiffel Tower thing. And kids are in the room. And we have two queens. And they're sitting on those pull-out things. The ones here are yellow. The guy at the front desk told me that, oh, gold medal flower. That's a very famous Minnesota, Minneapolis landmark. The guy at the front desk told me that this property opened 2 years ago. They just had their 2-year anniversary. Nice big mirror here, nice desk, same exact stuff that other Hampton and Milwaukee West fridge, same furnishings. I'm starting to feel like this is what they redid all the Hamptons in most recently, like the new builds and the ones that have been refurbished are all like this. And then another window over here with a view of this really weird building. We don't know what that is. And that's that over. There's a Chinese restaurant over there. A lot of apartments and stuff. We're very close to the University of Minnesota. Oh look, the Hampton sign is right here. And this would also be convenient to where my son goes to school at the University of St. Thomas. And so if you have kids at college in the Twin Cities, this would probably be a very convenient place to stay. I can't get my face. Hi there. The guy at the front desk told us that they have a shuttle bus that will take you anywhere within 5 miles. So I'm actually considering this place for Andrew's college graduation next year because that way I wouldn't have to mess with parking my car on campus. So anyway, that's my room tour of the Hampton Inn Suites, Minneapolis campus area, university area, something like that, in Minneapolis, Minnesota, and have a good day.